Hello and welcome back to an IT performance unboxing video. This is not a normal unboxing because it hasn't got everything to do with computers. This one is a new gimbal that I have got, which will hopefully make some of my videos a bit smoother, a bit easier to watch, although time will tell. Okay, this is the Zhiyun, hopefully I've pronounced that correctly, Zhiyun Smooth 4. It is, I believe, the latest gimbal that you can get from them for smartphones. So let me unpack this. Just shifting around my office right now. Actually, why don't I remove this stuff so I have more room? Lovely. Rubbish. Okay, so what have we got in the pack here? How do we open this? Open. Okay. One at this end. Ooh, comes with a box. Do I need that? Can I do this? Okay, so what's in here? Smooth 4 quick start guide. Ooh. Android issue with ZY Play, whatever that is. A service card. With numbers for everywhere but in lower Asia Pacific area. Well, not everywhere. Not everywhere. Download app, so there's a Q code for downloading the app and the manual. Oh, it's got a certificate of quality. Oh, look in the back. It's got a QC pass. 02. Hopefully that's February. Jolly good. Put that back in there. Last chance. Okay, look at this. This is lovely. This is like a foam sort of cover box. Ah, and there we have it. So this comes with a little stand, a little tripod stand, a USB to USB-C connection cable, and of course the unit itself, which moves or lock. So if you unlock it, Don't know what the lock is for. We'll find that out. I'll have to read some manuals. Believe it or not. Okay, that sort of allows that to swivel. Oh, and then you lock it back in place again. Now I believe it has a USB port here, and what you can do is you can plug that into your phone to keep your phone charged while you're using it. Anyway, okay, I'll get this charged and see what we can do. Maybe even read a manual. Okay, so let's plug this in and see what happens. Blink, blink, blink. Now that is interesting. That comes up with its own little USB drive with what looks like a firmware file and a couple of hidden folders, because I am currently showing all file. So a log file and a firmware file. That's interesting. Down here we have a blue LED that looks as though it's almost fully charged. Let's have a look at our manual. Quick start guide. Okay, download the app. Read the manual. Charging method. Plug that in there. Reinstallation. Get tripod ready if you want to use the tripod. Long press on the power button for 2 seconds to turn off on. Okay. Push and hold. Let's use a phone that I have here, my old phone. Let's insert that. Yeah. Hopefully, why is that like that? Not like that. Oh, no, that's definitely for that. Don't know what that does. I think maybe oh. Oh, please do not turn on the thing before putting in the phone. Okay, so now it's actually quite heavy. The trials and tribulations of a famous YouTuber. Hey? Are you going to fall down this time? I certainly hope not. Oh, 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 oh. What are you doing? Okay, let's try that again. Okay, off. Just limp. Just limp. Look at that. Okay, so if we turn it on, oh, it doesn't like that. Don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's turn that off again. Swivel that round. Let's just hold it nicely for the moment. Turn it on. Remember, this is without any software being on the phone. So if we do that and like that and like that, all seems nice and smoothish, as the name suggests. So let me install the app and do some examples for you with the gimbal and without the gimbal. And also working out maybe how to use the thing properly. All right. Okay, thanks for watching. I have lots to learn. I will maybe do another video showing you what I have learned, but it seems to be very good so far. Okay, see you next time. Bye. What's going on here with this? Ah, oop. Okay, careful, careful. Was that unlocked? Let's try turning it on. Ooh. Fuck's sake. What are you doing? Okay, thanks for watching. I will do another video